Hello, fifth graders. This is Miss Sin reading this passage about biomass. Biomass is the oldest form of energy of the world. For thousands of years since man discovered fire, it has been used to burn wood for light, heat, and cooking. In fact, wood accounted for 90% of the energy used in the United States until the mid-1800s. It was then replaced by coal, natural gas, petroleum, and other energy sources. Biomass is any organic matter that can be used as an energy source. Organic means anything that is alive or was alive a short time ago. Organic materials are also renewable energy sources. They include things like trees and plants and sugar cane, animal waste, manure, and other types of garbage. Biomass gets its energy from the sun through the process called photosynthesis. Plants such as trees, crops, and grass absorb and store the sun's radiant energy in their leaves and roots. The plants then convert this energy into chemical energy in the form of sugar or glucose, which is a carbohydrate. Then, when people and animals eat plants, the biomass, or products made from the plant, such as wheat, they are using the carbohydrates or the sugar from the energy. Then we burn the wood, waste, and other plant matter. It releases that stored energy in the form of heat. That's where I got this information, and then this link is about all of them if you are online and you can get to that link. So fill in your chart about biomass.